Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick live about how to avoid wasting time because I did a lot of that today and I want you to learn from my mistakes because I didn't take my own advice and I didn't do what I normally do and I ended up wasting like half the day and not actually being productive or doing the things that I had hoped to do. So, if you guys don't know me, my name is Kate. I help bloggers and influencers triple the income from the content that you're already creating without having to work more so that you can actually be creative and enjoy your job again, the whole reason you did it in the first place. And if you want to hear more from me, go to the link in my profile. I have a free workshop for you. But let me talk to you about what I did today and how I messed up and how you can not do that. So what happened today was I wasted a lot of time and it's because I didn't follow what I normally do. And what I normally do is I have what I teach in the Blog Profit Accelerator program, the top 3 method of how you decide what tasks you're going to do each day and what are your top projects for the week, what's the most important that's going to contribute to your bottom line. So here is what I did. I did the things that I intended to do today that were meant to contribute to the bottom line. Checkbox, great. But then what I did was I kept working. And this may sound crazy, but I kept doing other things. And so here's the problem, it was raining. And I used that as an excuse to stay at my computer and continue to work. But I didn't get anything actually done because I talk a lot about having a 3-hour or less workday. And what I've found is that when I work more than that, I'm just filling my time with stuff and nothing actually works or makes sense. So after a certain point, our brains get just overwhelmed with tasks, with switching tasks and trying to readjust to a different project. So I had already completed the projects that I had planned on for the day, but then I went and switched contexts like 5 different times to try and piddle on a few other projects that I have, and it was a total waste of time. I got nothing done. And I basically sat at my desk for the last 4 hours and did a little bit of a lot of things and got 0 done. And so what I want you to learn from this is use your time wisely of being really concentrated on the projects that are making an impact on the bottom line of your business and bringing you income. And then leave it and go do something else. That's the whole point of all of this. Because what I would normally do, part of it being raining out, and what I used as my excuse was, oh, well, I can't go on a walk right now like I normally do, or I can't go to the beach, whatever, to clear my mind and get reset for tomorrow. So I used that time instead to piddle on my computer. What I should have done is found something else to do that was filling my cup on a personal side so that I could come back tomorrow and be a lot more effective in all of the things I was trying to do. So I should have either I really want to brush up on my Spanish. That's something that I haven't done in a while. I should have watched some videos on that. I should have or I could have read my book, or I could have gone on a drive or gone to Publix or whatever. But the whole point in this is that if you give yourself less time to get work done, you'll get it done faster and more effectively than if you were to give yourself an entire 8-hour day. Now, you have to have systems and processes and automation and all these things behind the scenes to be able to make that happen. But when you have that all in place, you can then work 2 or 3 hours a day and you get a heck of a lot done, and then you can go play the rest of the day or be with your kids, be with your family, go work your other job. Whatever it is that you want to do, you're able to do that because you've spent those concentrated 1 to 3 hours of work, and you can get off the computer, go do your other stuff. So learn from me today and don't do what I did. I am now going to go out and just drive around the town. I don't know, just something to do. Maybe I'll go buy some flowers or something. I don't know. But learn from me and make sure that you have your systems in place so that you can have your shorter workday, really concentrated effort on your work, and you don't spend a lot of time at the computer just building half-built bridges and not actually making it to where you want to go because you just did a lot of little stuff that didn't actually make an impact. And if you guys want to follow, if you want to look at my other videos, I talk a lot about this kind of stuff. Also, I have a free workshop for you. The link in my profile. You can also go to katewaldoandco.com/grow. There's a free workshop for you, Netflix style, on demand, so you can watch it when you want to. All right, I will talk to you guys later.